Doctors at Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital successfully removed a swallowed pushpin from a 14-year-old boy's lung in a rare 2-hour surgery. The boy from Thatlaskin block had been treated at multiple hospitals before the successful procedure. The pin was removed from the boy's right main bronchus. Dr. D. Nongplo praised the medical team's resourcefulness and life-saving efforts. The success highlights improving healthcare facilities in the state, even outside the capital.
Wanuchi hypor iwa ndujek ijenmit haga arosan direk wada history gawa bayu ong wada ngoju yo tu upin kau penja kajaru tu au open det habot ma the ngoju hypor wa pra sten step ya o cheni ba yo paji ga manute hypor mana wanu patient gam ten le egi x-rays ki ongi to yo ba to wa haka x-ray da penyo ba to wa utupin ho tu food pipe da to how food pipe ha ta pair ware tang da upin rapman rare ni case ba to wa live chau wind pipe lamba wind pipe da lao chau ni pipe wa chikini ke lungs chaka right side
Uni terso ni kejar masuk menu so menu te pau wat te mana ia de lai ha dispensary mulong tak scanning as x-ray te nyi o te de yo o tu kejar te pak in chia long man la chia long làm gì te lai ha pula so ber la mi ki ado pa chi nào cũng many store we ye ra